Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about File Explorer of your computer. To view and organize files and folders in your computer, you can use Windows inbuilt application called File Explorer. It is called File Explorer in Windows 10 and above, while it is known as Windows Explorer in Windows 7 and earlier versions of Windows operating system. The File Explorer is a file management application used by Windows OS to organize and browse files and folders in your computer. That is, it enables users to interact with files and folders of their computer. There are several ways to open File Explorer in Windows 10. The first option is to press your Windows key and E, which is this. The File Explorer has opened. The second option you can use to achieve that is by pressing Windows key, then R, then type Explorer and press enter. Your File Explorer has opened. The third option to open your File Explorer is to click on the folder or File Explorer icon on the taskbar. You can see it on the taskbar. Click on it. The File Explorer has opened. The fourth option is to click on the Start button, then type File Explorer and click on it. The File Explorer is open. The fifth option is to right click on any folder, then open. You can click on Quick Access, then the File Explorer is open. It is important to know that the File Explorer has different sections. It has File Explorer ribbon. It also has navigation pane. It also has frequent folder section and also recent files section. Let's look at this one after the other. The File Explorer ribbon contains a ribbon similar to the one seen in the recent versions of MS Office. The ribbon contains tabs such as Home tab, Share tab, View tab, including your File tab. The tabs has buttons and commands used for performing common tasks associated with files and folders. When you click on the File tab, you will see it gives user option to open new windows, open Windows PowerShell, change folder and search option, gives you help, and you can click here to close the File Explorer. Now when you go to Home tab, you'll see it contains basic functions such as copying. If you click any file or folder, you can see it gives you option to copy it. You can cut it. You can copy the part of that file or folder. You can as well paste it. You can as well pin a command to the Quick Access toolbar. You can also move files and folders. You can also copy files and folders to any location. You can also delete any file or folder. You can also rename it. You can as well click here to create a new folder. Let's say we change it to we change this location to desktop. You can see with this, the moment I click on it, it gives me room to create a new folder. You can also create a new item. You can also view the property of a particular folder that you've selected, and you can as well select all or invert selection, or click on select none to deselect any of the things you have selected. Now when you go over to Share tab, the Share tab allows for collaboration, such as sharing, emailing, zipping a folder, that is to compress a folder to have a lesser space on your memory. You can also burn to disk, you can also print, you can also send by fax, you can also share your files and your folders with specific people, and it also removes access to a particular file or folder, and it gives you also advanced security. That's what you can locate under this Share tab, the commands under there. Then under your View tab, you have option to customize the File Explorer appearance. That is, it shows the way Windows displays files and folders. Let me double click on this folder. Now I can decide to select extra large. You can see what I have here under extra large icon. You can see what I have here under large icon. You can see what I have here under medium icons. You can see what I have here under small medium. Now you can select any of them. When you click here, you have a preview pane by this side. Now when you click here as well, you have detailed pane by this side. The moment I click on it, it gives me details of things concerning that particular folder or file on my File Explorer. You can as well sort it in any of this format. You can sort it by name, sort it by date, and anyone you so wish, either also ascending or descending order. And you can as well group them in this order. You can also add columns if you wish. If you add another column by this right side, you will discover that you also have like more column added for you that may show date created, author, tag, and titles, and very many of them under this very place. And so that is what you have under this very place. Now when you have a picture that is contained in a particular folder, you discover that picture 2 as a tab will appear on the File Explorer ribbon. Now it gives you option either to rotate that picture, or to slide those pictures, or even to set it as a background on your computer. The choice is yours on that regard. Now we have also said that this is our navigation pane. Now the navigation pane gives users access to library of quick access. You can see it also gives them access to OneDrive or Cloud Drive. It also gives access to my computer, my network. Remember, it's located on the left side of your File Explorer. Now when you look at this place, you discover we have frequent folders. This gives you access to folders that you have worked with recently. So any folder that you work with recently in your Windows 10, you will always have those folders among this place under this frequent section. Also on recent files, it gives you access to recent files you have worked with in your computer. Also, other things that we need to take note of on our file tabs include our quick access toolbar. You can customize it. If I select undo, you discover that undo icon is here. If I do not want it, I can click back to remove that icon from this very place. Now remember that the quick access toolbar gives you a shortcut to the commands that you use in your File Explorer. Now we also have our address bar. When you click on this very place, it gives you the current location of your document. Now let's assume that I have this. If the moment I click on this, you can see the file path or the location of this particular document. Now you also have your search option. Assuming you are to search for anything within this location, you can come here and type the name of that file you are looking for. Assuming I am looking for this particular folder, I can come here and type Okimo. Now you discover that all the files that concerns Okimo will appear on this very place, and I will search for the particular one I'm looking for and then click on it. We also have back, forward, and up to. This back takes you back to the previous location. This takes you forward to the next location. Pressing the up simply takes a user to the drive location of the object they are viewing or to the desktop folder. Now, when you understand how to use this File Explorer, one thing is that it will help you to organize your files and folder. It will also help you to organize how you view your files and your folder. It will also help you to easily locate your files and your folder. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and do well to subscribe to my channel for more other videos. Comment, share to your friends so that they can also watch this video. Thank you.